My name is Yemi Badmos. If you're a Nigerian who stays abroad, you stay in the UK, Canada, US, Dubai, wherever it is you stay abroad, and you want to invest in Nigerian real estate, I want you to pay rapt attention to what I'm about to show you and what I'm about to tell you, because this will be the difference between you investing in genuine real estate or investing in real estate that are not genuine. Now, understand that you want to invest in Nigerian real estate because you want to have a place to call your home when you come back to Nigeria. I understand being a Nigerian, that's normal. Or you want to invest in it because you want it to be an income vehicle for you. Okay, I understand that part too. Now, I understand you might also want to invest in Nigerian real estate because when you come back to Nigeria, you don't want to start staying with relatives all over again. I understand that you might want to do that. I also understand that you've worked abroad all these years and you've had to hustle to make good money, and then you're coming back home to Nigeria. You don't want to start paying rent all over again. I understand these things. Even being an income investment vehicle is super cool. Now, I also understand that you might want to just retire to Nigeria finally, and you want to be able to have your own investment, your own real estate rather, such that you can live in your own house. Now, these things are important, but you need to tread with caution when investing in Nigerian real estate. Now, I'm saying this because there are lots of pitfalls when investing in Nigerian real estate, a whole lot. I'm going to show you 7 of them, okay? But I'm going to start with this one. Omonile. When investing in Nigerian real estate, do not, under any circumstance whatsoever, for any reason at all, buy a real estate property with Omonile. There's a lot of thuggery around them. So the thing is, when you eventually buy from them and eventually fall prey, you do not have anyone to hold. It's really that bad. It's terrible. So it's a no. Do not even go that route at all. Okay, so many other reasons why you shouldn't invest with Omonile. If I start telling you stories, we won't leave here today. Secondly, do not invest in a property that doesn't have a title document. Okay, so when investing in Nigerian real estate, ensure you get a copy of the title document. Now, search it out at the Land Bureau. Do not just buy a property. I'm smiling because people have bought properties that they didn't search out and it's been terrible. So, ensure that you do not fall prey. It's really terrible when these things happen. Other investments, don't fall prey. So, ensure the title is genuine. Search it out to know at the Land Bureau. Search it out to know those things. If you do not search it out, there's no way you will know. Now, thirdly, when you're investing with a relative, ensure that you keep records. Now, I'm not saying this because the relative is not trustworthy. No, I'm saying this because you need to be diligent enough to keep your own records. It's just responsibility on your own part as well. So, keep your records. Keep every detail of every financial transaction you're doing, and also ensure that you get pictures, videos, and stuff like that. Those may not be enough, but your own financial records that you're keeping as you send the funds are really, really good. Okay, so ensure you do those things. Now, I said 7 reasons. Now, there are 4 other reasons, but it's rather going to be too long. Okay, it's already 4 minutes. So if you are interested in knowing the other 4 reasons, it's not compulsory that you click the link below. But if you're interested in not falling for scams, click the link below and I will show you the other 4 reasons. So click the link below and you get direct access. You don't need to give me your email address. You don't need to give me your phone number. You don't even need to give me your name. Get direct access to those other reasons in the link below. Thank you. And Yemi Badmos will see you on the other side.